Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my berry smoothie. Guys, today is July 3rd and guess what? It's very hot out there, so that smoothie gonna give you some nice refreshing inside. So we're gonna be outside, so that's why I'm going to make that delicious and refreshing smoothie for you guys, okay? And happy 4th of July, guys. Maybe you guys stay safe, okay? And be careful, okay? So let me show you guys what I have for you in the menu, okay? I have my sugar, okay, and my blueberries, okay, and I have my frozen strawberries, okay, and I have some bananas, okay, and I have some ice for my berries smoothie, okay. So what I'm going to do first, guys, I have my blender, okay, my hands are clean, okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my strawberries in the blender, okay. Just okay, let me add a little bit more, and my blueberry, okay, and I'm going to get one banana, open it up, okay. So how's your Sunday going so far, guys? Yeah, I'm so ready, guys, for tomorrow. So we're gonna partying until tomorrow night, okay. I'm adding 2 more bananas, guys, okay, and sugar, all of it, okay, and some cold water, okay. The ice, actually, you know what, I'm going to wait a little bit when I start blending up everything, and then I'll add a little bit more of the ice, okay, guys. Let me cover that up. Okay, guys, when we come back, and then I'll show you everything, how everything comes out, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now everything's ready. Let me show you guys my berry smoothies. I have like 4 glasses, guys, for my smoothie. Okay, it's ready. There it is. Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay, so let me put that there. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start pouring some strawberry in the glass. Okay, I don't want to make a mess, guys. Okay. This is so delicious, guys, especially for today, 4th of July tomorrow. Perfect timing. Okay. All right, now what I'm going to do next, let me get a piece of paper to do a little bit of cleanup, okay. I have some strawberries, fresh strawberries, okay. I'm going to put them in the middle, okay. And blueberries, guys, have some blueberries also, okay. Do the same thing here. All right, okay, very nice, guys. Okay, blueberry. It's very easy and simple, guys. When you're outside with your family, you can just go ahead and then make that smoothie, enjoy yourself. Okay. Blueberries. Okay. A little bit more. add, a little bit more. Okay, guys, I'm going to grab more stuff, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now there you have it. You see what I did? I finished up my strawberries, and then I added some strawberry around it. Okay, to garnish it. Okay, there you have it. That's it. So you have my berry smoothies for 4th of July. Okay. Yes, guys. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. And remember to share with your family and friends, okay? So give it a try, guys. It's very good. And guys, be safe. Have a wonderful 4th of July, okay? And if you have any question, let me know, okay? So enjoy. Now it's time for me to enjoy my berry smoothie. God, it's so good. Guys, enjoy. Bye.